In this review, you'll need potting soil if you're growing indoor or outdoor plants, herbs, or vegetables in containers. In several respects, potting soil differs from topsoil and garden soil. Topsoil is usually found in your yard, but it can also be purchased to fill a big lawn or landscaping area. Topsoil can be of any quality, ranging from sandy and lacking in organic materials to exceptionally rich in organic matter produced from fallen leaves, vegetation, and animals. Garden soil is a type of soil supplement that is blended with topsoil to enrich it and improve the growth environment. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best potting soil. Let's get started. Number 5. Wondersoil Organic Potting Soil. The Wondersoil Premium Organic Potting Mix is reputed as the only dry compressed cocoa mix with amendments of worm casing, kelp, mycorrhizae, perlite, etc. With this soil, you can confidently grow your plants at a faster pace with solid roots. You don't have to bother about peat as it is free of it, natural, and safe for your pets. One unique feature of this little bag of potting soil is that it expands up to 4 times its natural size when mixed with water. Also, it is easy to carry and helps you conserve important shed space. Additionally, the soil is ready to use, which means all you need to do is transplant your plants into the container while you add the soil mix. Number 4. Fox Farm Happy Frog Organic. High-quality growing mix makes for a bountiful harvest, and Fox Farm's Happy Frog Organic Indoor Mix can help an indoor gardener grow a bevy of beets or bushel of burpless cukes. Fox Farm incorporates soil microbes that encourage strong root development and improve plants' nutrient uptake. The soil mixture includes bat guano, earthworm castings, and aged forest products for larger and tastier produce. Happy Frog Growing Mix is pH adjusted, making it well suited to most types of vegetables, and the 51.4 quart bag comes with protective gloves to protect indoor gardeners' hands while planting. Number 3. Miracle-Gro Potting. The Miracle-Gro Potting Mix is the gold standard in the potting world, and it is so popular thanks to its affordable price and great track record for growing plants big and beautiful. This potting mix is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This product uses peat moss, perlite, fertilizer, and a wetting agent to create a suitable potting mix for plants. The specific ingredients may vary depending on where the bag was made. This potting soil is guaranteed to include at least 0.21% nitrogen, 0.11% phosphate, and 0.16% potash for fertilizing needs. Number 2. Organic Potting Mix. For those looking to grow strictly organic indoor produce, Perfect Plants Organic Indoor Potting Mix contains no chemicals or toxins for contaminant-free crops. The Perfect Plants mix contains lightweight ingredients, including sphagnum peat moss, perlite, composted pine bark, and coconut coir for a growing mix that drains well and offers an optimal foundation for supporting large vegetable plants. Natural soil enhancements, such as mycorrhizae and earthworm castings, improve the mix's nutrient value so plants can reach their full potential. This indoor mix is also pH balanced and designed to retain moisture to increase drought impact on plants. Number 1. Burpee Premium Organic Potting. If you are in the business of growing vegetables, organic herbs, or flowers in patio containers or beds, this unique growing mix will make the job easier. The potting mix by Burpee is designed to release the needed nutrients quickly while giving you much needed plant food for up to 3 months. The mixture is made to retain as much water as possible, making it ideal for all-season use. Use this growing mix for planting in containers or raised beds. The potting soil feeds plants instantly, then provides a slow-release plant food that feeds for up to 3 months. Whether you're growing organic herbs, vegetable seeds or flowers in raised beds or patio containers, this growing mix will make the job a breeze. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.